Coach Tony, over 50 men's fitness. Welcome to the channel, and this is going to be my new playlist. And this playlist will be entitled 3 Back Handsprings into a Backflip at age 61. Now, I'm really going to have to get motivated, and I'm going to be honest with you here. I haven't done that since I was in my 30s. So doing 3 back handsprings into a backflip is something that I haven't done in more than 2 decades. More than. So I'm really going to get up for this challenge. I'll be training very hard this winter. Making this video, let me see, it's November 27th, 2025. And that's my goal at age 61. And what I'll be posting in this particular playlist is some of my training footage. What am I doing to accomplish this set goal that I have? What type of training? I may also post in another playlist some of the nutritional meals that I partake of, so that it gives you an example of how I eat to recover, as well as how I put on muscle. And for those of you who don't know, I don't lift weights. I haven't lifted weights since back in my 40s, and I'm going to be making a video, just a short My Story video that kind of gives you some ideas from the age of 49 all the way up to 61, what I've done, how I've changed my training. One of the things that I did was stop lifting weights. I use mainly body weight, gymnastics type movements, tumbling, as well as boxing, martial arts, and other movements, as well as plyometrics and isometrics as well. I'll be sharing some of my training techniques and tips during the wintertime from my garage, so that I can kind of show you and give you some ideas. In any case, follow me along on my playlist, and I hope you like, comment, share, and subscribe. This is Coach Tony, and I'm also encouraging you to join my free school. The link is in the description below. Coach Tony, see you on the next one. Over and out.